Hi everyone, welcome to Easy Math. Today in this video, we'll see class 6 exercise 1.3 question number 6. We'll do it from question number 6 onwards. Now what is it? Let us read the question first. Rupees 62,500 was equally distributed as a new year bonus for 25 employees of a company. How much did each receive? What do you mean by each? Each means it is one. Each means it is one for one employee. And how many employees they gave the money? For 25 employees, new year bonus. It's a bonus amount. For 25 employees, the amount given was 62,500. We have to find for one employee. So we know for 25 employees and we have to find for one employee. So it is many to one, just the reverse of multiplication. In multiplication, one employee, we'll know the money given to one employee. One employee get 1,000 rupees. So how much money will 5 employees get? Means 5 into 1,000, 5,000. But here we know for 25 we have to find for 1. Many to 1 is division. So in all these word problems, first you must read the problems 2 times or 3 times and you must understand the concept, and first thing you have to find out the operation involved in it. Using all these small tips. When it is find in all, what is the total? Means it is addition. How much more? How much less? What is left? What is the balance? When such words come, it is subtraction. And we know the value for one, you have to find for many. It is multiplication. Now we know for many, you have to find for one, it is division. So let us write the statements and do the sum now. The statement is like this. Money distributed for 25 employees, rupees 62,500. Therefore, money given to one employee. Each employee means one employee. So it is many to one, division. You should divide 62,500 by 25. So how do you divide? Put 62,500 inside and 25 outside and divide. For this you write 25 tables by the side. Okay. Now 25 one side. First you take 6. 6 is less than 25. We cannot divide. So put 1 0. Take 62. So till 62 comes, you write 25 tables. 25 ones are 25. 25 twos are 50. 25 threes are 75. We want the number exactly 62. If you don't have 62, we should take the number which is less than 62. So which is less than 62 here? 50 is less than 62. So underline that. Quotient is 2 for us. So write the quotient on top and 50 here. Now subtract. 2 minus 0 is 2, 6 minus 5 is 1. What is next? Bring down the next number, 5, 25, 125. We have only till 100. So let us write the next multiple of 25. How to multiply? 5 5s are 25, write 5, carry 2, 5 2s are 10, 10 plus 2, 12. So we got same 125 and 5 is the quotient. Write the quotient, it is 125. Now subtract it, 125 minus 125 is 0. Bring down the next number, 0. We cannot divide. So whenever you bring down a number, it has to be divided. If you are not able to divide, 0 in the quotient. Bring down the next number, 0, then even now we cannot divide, so 0 in the quotient. So the amount got by each employee received rupees 2,500. Now we'll see question number 7. Question number 7, it is simplification. The first one is 10 plus 17 divided by 3. Okay. Now what is it? This is using, we have in the same sum, we have 2 operations. So far we have been doing in one sum in only one operation, that is addition, subtraction, multiplication or division. Now hereafter the simplification sums, they involve more than 2 operations, the same sum, addition and subtraction, addition, multiplication, division. Sometimes all the 4 operations will be there in the same sum. So to do this, we have studied already, we have to follow the rule called BIDMAS. B for brackets, I for indices, which we'll be studying it later, D for division, M for multiplication, A for addition and S for subtraction. This is the order we have to follow when you have more than 2 operations, 2 or more. So first is bracket, B for bracket. Whatever you have inside the brackets, that has to be done first. So what is inside the bracket? It is addition. So 10 plus 17 we have to add in the first step. What is 10 plus 17? It is 27 divided by 3. So 3 numbers have become 2 numbers and 2 operations will become 1 operation after every step. So you do only 1 operation in 1 step, so that we can avoid confusion. So 27 divided by 3, till 3 tables till you get 27. 9 3s are 27 is the answer for this. So first brackets, after removing the brackets, we have only one operation, that is division, and we get the answer. And next one, 12 minus 3 minus, again one bracket, 6 minus 5 minus 1. See how many brackets? In the previous one we had only one bracket. But here there are 3 brackets, one inside the other. In such case, we have to do the brackets, innermost bracket has to be done first. The inside bracket, not the outer bracket. Sometimes we 12 minus, we do 3 minus 6, 6 minus 5. That is not, we should not do it that way. We have to start from innermost bracket. Which bracket is inside? And for every opening bracket, you will have a closing bracket. See, this is opened here, 5 minus 1 is the bracket. This is opening, this is closed. And this is open, this is closed. Here it is open, here it is closed. So there are 3 types of brackets. In brackets itself, we have 4 types of brackets. First one is bar bracket. Just we put, whenever you multiply or divide, subtract 2 numbers, we put this bar. Then we have common bracket. This is called common bracket. Then this is third type of bracket. This is called curly brackets. Then we have square brackets. Like this, we have 4 types of brackets we have. In this, we are having 3 brackets are here. 1, 2 and 3. So in such case, we have to do the innermost bracket. Inside operation has to be done first. All the rest you have to write as it is down. See, 12 as it is, minus, square bracket, 3, minus, curly bracket, 6, minus, and subtract this. 5 minus 1 is 4. So one bracket is over. That bracket is not necessary now. We have only 2 more brackets. Every step, one bracket will be removed. So the innermost bracket is removed. Now, which is the, now we are, again we have 2 brackets. Which is the innermost now? The curly bracket. So 12 as it is, minus as it is, square bracket, 3 minus, what is 6 minus 4 is 2. That's all. See how simply, how what is easily, step by step, each bracket is getting removed and the operation also getting done. Then 12 minus 3 minus 2 is 1. So what is 12 minus 1? It is 11. Okay, this is how we have to follow when you have more than 2 brackets. And now sum number 3, this is also using Bidmas rule. 100 plus 8 divided by 2 plus 3 into 2 minus 6 divided by 2. So what has to be done first? Tell me. First the innermost within the brackets. And we have how many brackets here? There are 2 brackets. So we have to do the innermost bracket. Which is innermost? This 3 into 2 is the innermost bracket. So rest of the numbers and operations you write as it is down. As it is down, no change. Actually, these 3 numbers are outside the bracket. So this has got nothing to do with these numbers. Even this can be done at a time. We can do the outside the bracket and inside the bracket. But still, that will be a little confusing as you are learning this method for the first time. So let us follow the step-by-step procedure. Write everything as it is. You start from the innermost bracket. Curly bracket as it is. 3 2s are 6. Minus 6 divided by 2. Only one operation in one step. Don't do more than that. So that without any mistakes, you can proceed the sum. So 100 plus 8 divided by 2 plus, now come. There is only one bracket, but there are 2 operations. Subtraction and division. So in Bidmas rule, which comes first? We have subtraction and division. Which is first? Division has to be done first. First division and then only subtraction. So divide. So here only we are using a bar bracket. We are going to divide 6 and 2. We are using this bar bracket, which I told you already, type of a bracket. So out of 3 numbers, there is no bracket. We are putting bracket just to avoid, to make it clear which 2 numbers to be done first. So 6 minus 6 divided by 2. 3 2s are 6. So that 3 numbers have become 2 numbers. Rest of the numbers as it is. 100 plus 8 divided by 2 plus, what is 6 minus 3 is 3. Okay. Now addition, division. So addition, division and addition again. So which one we'll do first? Division. First divide. So 100 plus 8 divided by 2 is 4 plus 3. Now it is just only our same operation. Both operations are same. So we can add everything together. It is just adding 3 numbers. 100 plus 4, 104. Okay, if you want, we'll add two numbers together. First 100 plus 4, 104. Then 104 plus 3 is 107. So this is how we have to move step by step, starting from innermost bracket. In one step you do only one operation so that the sum can be done in a very simple manner. Now question number 8 is objective type. That is, we have to find, this is given equal to, fill in the blank. We cannot write the answer directly. Only if we do the sum only we will be able to get the answer. So it is 3 plus 5 minus 7 into 1. Addition, subtraction, multiplication. So according to the rule, which operation comes first? We have addition, multiplication, subtraction. These are the 3 operations we have. First multiplication, then addition, then subtraction. So multiplication, which 2 numbers have to be multiplied? 7 and 1. So we are using a bar bracket. You see, this is called bar bracket, bar. So rest of the numbers as it is, equal to 3 plus 5 minus 7 ones are 7. Okay, now we have addition and subtraction. Which has to be done first? Addition. 3 plus 5 is 8 minus 7 as it is. Now 8 minus 7 is 1. See, 3 operations, they have become 2, 2 operations become 1, and 4 numbers have become 3 numbers, 2 numbers, then 1 number. Now question number 9 is 24 divided by 8 minus 3 into 2. So how many brackets? There are 2 brackets. Which bracket will you do first? Yes, the innermost. Which is the innermost bracket? 3 into 2. And what to do with the rest of the numbers? As it is down. So 24 divided by, open bracket, 8 minus 3 2s are 6. That bracket is over. So it is not necessary to put the bracket now. Now the close bracket 6. That's all. 2 operations become 1 operation, and the 1 bracket, the innermost bracket, is removed. Now it is 24 divided by, what is 8 minus 6 is 2. Now that is equal to 24 divided by 2. How to divide 24 by 2? Divide quickly. 2 ones are 2. Remainder 0. Bring down the next number. 2 twos are 4. 4 minus 4 is 0. So what is the answer? The quotient 12 is the answer for this question. Okay, question number 9 is over. Now question number 10, it is use bid mass and put the correct operator in the box. What do you mean by operator? Operator means addition. The 4 options are given: addition, subtraction, multiplication, or division. So in this box we have to put the correct symbol, plus or minus or into or division, so that your answer is 10. We have to put the correct operation and do the sum, and your answer has to be 10. Okay. Now I've written the sum here. Now what we'll do, first we'll simplify as much as possible. Then we'll fill in the blank with addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. So 2 as it is, box as it is, because bracket has to be done first. This square is not inside the bracket. So whatever symbol you put here, this will not change the sum. So minus 12 divided by, within the bracket first, 4 plus 2 is 6. We'll see, we'll do the sum and check whether we are getting the answer as 10. Okay. Now next is, what is first? Even if in the box, even if it comes division also, there is nothing wrong in doing this, because this is also division. Division has to be done first. So we'll simplify this further. 2 dash 6 minus 12 divided by 6 is 2 6 are 12. Now we cannot do 6 minus 2 without knowing this operation. Suppose if this is division here, then we have to divide it first. So we'll check the operation one by one. So first operation, we'll put plus and check whether we're getting 10. 2 plus 6 minus 2. What happens here? 2 plus 6 is 8. 8 minus 2, we are getting 6. We are not getting 10. So plus cannot be the option. Now we'll check. So plus, if you put plus, 2 plus 6 minus 2. So 2 plus 6 is 8 minus 2. 8 minus 2 is 6. But we are supposed to get the answer as 10. So therefore, this plus cannot be this option. First option, we cannot have plus. Now second, we'll check for minus. What is it? 2 minus 6. Here the last step. 2 minus 6 minus 2. See, we have not yet learnt about integer. From 2, can we subtract 2? We don't know how to subtract 2. 6 from 2. So this is also not possible. This is not possible. So this cannot be the answer. Now third option. What is the third option? It is multiplication. 2 in this box we'll put into. 2 into 6 boxes. 2 into 6 minus 2. So what happens? 2 first Multiplication, subtraction. Which one we'll do first? Multiplication. 2 6 are 12 minus 2. What is 12 minus 2? We're getting the answer 10. See, the answer is 10 and the answer has to be 10 in the option. So what operation you have to put here to get the answer as 10? It is multiplication. In the box you have to put multiplication. Check once again. Multiplication and subtraction. Multiplication has to be done first. So 2 6 are 12 minus 2, which is 10, and we got this answer. So the operator in the box is 10. So with this, exercise 1.3 gets over. We'll do the rest of the exercise in the next video. Thank you for watching. Thank you.